Cuyahoga Valley National Park is currently using a four-part climate action plan to adapt to current climate change and mitigate future climate changes by reducing the greenhouse gas emissions of park operations, sequestering carbon through massive tree planting projects, increasing climate change education and outreach programs, and adapting current infrastructure to withstand current climate change. Cuyahoga Valley National Park has installed small solar panels to power the public restrooms and begun using ethanol-powered fleet vehicles to reduce their emissions footprint. The biggest climate change mitigation strategy being implemented in Cuyahoga Valley is their tree planting initiative. Throughout the past few years, Cuyahoga Valley National Park has acquired new land that was either previously developed or impacted by invasive species. Reforestation with native species has begun. In 2013, park staff and volunteers reforested 28 acres using native plants raised in a park nursery to also increase genetic diversity. The park has estimated that one reforested acre could sequester 4.8 metric tons of carbon. Moving forward, the park has planned to reforest at least 10 acres a year, but volunteer organizations in the area such as Natural United have teamed up with Cuyahoga Valley National Park to increase the amount of area being reforested with native vegetation. As flood events become more frequent and severe, Cuyahoga Valley National Park is creating more wetlands and stormwater detention structures to adapt to current climate change.